How's the anchor looking?
The anchor's good, snubber's on. It was a bit of a mission to get it on though.
Yeah.
We kind of put it, we didn't time it well, and we haven't prepped to check if the actual anchor was tagged. So 10 meters. So when we started dropping the anchor, we got 2 tags on it. Supposedly had to be 20 meters, and then everything else had no tags, so we're just airballing it. See how much chain we're putting out.
Like an ice bath?
Straight from the waterfall at the top of it.
And good morning. So we are getting ready for our sail. Pulling up the sail, so we're really excited. And so we're just getting everything cleaned and put away. Maybe a little bit of rock and rolling. So we're just gonna make sure everything's not gonna fall. And learn a lot today. And we'll see how it goes. Wish us luck. There's our captain getting ready for a sail. Oh, we're gonna get like a nice 4.5 at 1 p.m. How's it looking?
Alright, it's just the storm that I don't really like.
We got a bit of a storm on the way. We're gonna try to beat this storm here. Just go out for a little bit of a sail, but weather has other plans for us. And I am not ready to take that on yet. But look at our sail. So pretty. That's terrifying. So we got our jib out. You want me to pull this, hey?
When I start turning, okay, wrap it on. Yeah,
No,
you're good. Yeah, just keep it pulling. It's gonna want to start flapping over when you see it flapping over. Now. Oh.
You get stuck?
No. There it goes.
Cute!
Grab the red one.
This.
Yeah.
Flip it up.
Pull. Yeah. Go. Yeah, keep going. Keep going.
Go it.
Keep going. Keep going. Stop.
Yeah? Big storm coming right behind us. Da-na-na-na-na. This thing working. So, we just woke up. We are sailing to a lake right now, but motoring, sorry. We're motoring because there's no wind. That's the only bummer out living in this area. It's like you get wind sometimes and you don't get wind sometimes, but we're motoring against the islands right now. It's pretty amazing. Look at that. So it's gonna be quite the beautiful motor today. Gonna hit some lakes up. We pulled the anchor up and it is quite muddy. It looks like poop. Anchoring that is here, quite muddy. Backwards. Neutral. Backwards. Backing. Good. Neutral. Jesse's doing the anchor chain. How's it looking? You did good? Jesse's putting our snubber on.
We are at some inland lake.
But this isn't the lake.
No, it's somewhere in there. muskrat fishies.
Jesse's shower. So I just finished cooking our first dinner on Anchor. It was actually pretty easy. Like, we weren't moving too much, so this is the mess I've created. So Jesse, thanks. No, that's undercooked, but that's how Jesse likes it. So. Yeah, Your Majesty.
God, let's go.
We're having next steak asparagus. And this is Jesse's side of chilies he likes to have. Oh, also he has a side of garlic because he's a psychopath.
Thank you so much.
Stormy, so Jesse said we should put up the dinghy. Good call, babe. Very smart guy here.
You want to hoist it up a little bit, take some weight?
Yeah.
You can leave that clip closed when you're pulling it from, babe.
Close? Yeah, it's closed. Lifted it to the side.
Touch them up. Spin. Alright, there you go. Crack it. Oh yeah.
Let's go. Yeah, Jesse's ready to crescent our boat. Woo!